How to delete Facebook conversations from both sides. So if you want to delete the conversation from both sides, then open up your Facebook Messenger application, and after opening your Messenger, now you can simply open up any chat that you would like. So I'll be opening this chat. So if you want to simply remove a message from both sides, then simply hold on to that message for 2 seconds, and then here you will have more option on the bottom right. Tap on that and then go for remove, and then here you will have two options: unsend or remove from you. So remove for you, so simply choose unsend, which is on the first. So that's it. After unsending the message, that message will be removed from your account and on the other person's, like the person whom you have sent that message, on that person's mobile also that message will be removed. So that's it. That's how you remove message on both sides. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.